What's cracking, Rap Dominance family? It's your boy, and I'm back at it again with another banger. This is off the How to Rap series, and it's called 3 Secrets for Beginners. Okay, so these are 3 major secrets for beginners on how to rap, and that's gonna start right about now. I'm back at it again, and this one is gonna be some amazing secrets on how to jumpstart your rap career. These are some things that I'm sure you have not heard on the internet thus far. Okay, this is where you get the best advice for rapping, for freestyling, for anything to do with hip-hop. This is where you get the best advice so that you can become a rising star. Now, the first step I have for you, the first tip I have for you rather, will be to choose easy beats. Okay, you want to start to rap on easy beats. You don't want to go to fast or advanced beats right away. Okay, the reason being is because you want to develop your style and your flow slowly. Okay, if you straight up go into a course for, I don't know, rocket science, let's say, you don't just go to the most advanced things. You start at the easier things and you work your way up to the hard things. That works with anything in life. The same thing with rap. You don't want to go to those advanced beats right away because first of all, you're not gonna sound good. You're not gonna be able to flow on that correctly, and you're gonna lose confidence because of that. Alright, so you want to go on beats that are easy to flow on. Start with that, build yourself up, and then you move to the next level, and the next level, and the next level, and the next level. That's how you get better. Okay, when I say easy beats to flow on, I'm speaking about beats like Shook One Part 2. Okay, I want you to go on YouTube, you type in Shook One Part 2 from Mobb Deep Instrumental, okay, and you rap on that. That's a very easy beat to flow on. First of all, it's slow and it's very consistent. It sounds like one complete bar, even though there's multiple bars. There's nothing that will throw you off in that beat. Okay, it's very easy to do multiple different flows on that beat, and for a beginner, that's the perfect beat to go on. So look up that beat called Shook One Part 2, not Part 1. Shook One Part 2 from Mobb Deep, and you start to rap on beats like that and build yourself up from there. Okay, now tip number 2 I have for you will be to properly separate your lyrics. When you write down your lyrics, you want them to be properly separated. That will mess you up extremely. Alright, I'm telling you this from experience. My 20 plus years of experience rapping, I know that messed me up as a beginner. Was the way I was writing down my rhymes. They weren't clear, my handwriting wasn't the best. You want to make sure that you print those words on that paper very clearly and you separate each bar. You don't just write a line under a line under a line. No, you want to separate. You skip a line. Okay? You can even put a line to divide each bar, to say, okay, this is the end of this bar. Alright? Those are some tips and tricks that I use. I didn't learn that from anyone. These are things that I used and learned from experience that will jumpstart your rap career and will get your skills at a peak level. Okay? Because when you're going in the booth, you don't have time to keep going over and over and over and over doing 20 takes. You don't have time for that. You're paying your hard-earned money. You want to get in there and lay those songs down right away. Okay? So that would be tip number 2, is to write down your lyrics and to make sure that they're separated and organized correctly on the paper so that you can easily read it. Okay? Now, tip number 3 and the final secret that I have for you right now will be to practice by recording yourself. Your biggest critique, alright, should be yourself. You should be your biggest critique. Even when people say, oh, that's a great song, Novo, I love that song, blah blah blah, I'm like, Yeah, okay, but I could have done better on this and that, this and that. And people think I'm crazy, but that's good because I hear where my flaws are, and you should be able to hear where your flaws are and where you can improve and what sounds good to you. You want to sound like a rapper that you would listen to. Bottom line, you want to sound like a rapper that you would listen to. You don't want to just do it for the people hearing you. Okay, they think it's good, but will you listen to that? If you play that song in the club, would you be nodding your head to that song? Or would you think that's rap? Or would you think that's whack? Excuse me. All right? That's important. You want to make sure that you create music that you yourself would listen to. So the best thing to do is to record yourself, say, you know, multiple times on multiple beats, and improve yourself during each recording. Okay? That is an extremely important secret that I'm sharing to you right now, and I guarantee you have not heard that on any other platform on YouTube. I guarantee it. All right? Now, what I want you to do is, as usual, hit that notification, hit that like, and hit that subscribe button. Very, very important. If you want to be built up as a rapper, if you want to become a rising star, this is the channel to do it. This is the channel that's going to make you a rising star. Okay? I'm putting out top quality content. All right? And I do this for you. I do this research for you so that you can be a star. I'm not concerned with being a star. All right? I feel like my goal and my purpose, right, when it comes to this this rap thing, will be to create actual stars. Okay, that's what I want to do. I want to create actual stars that will one day become famous rappers. All right? Now, like I said, hit that subscribe and just be prepared for the next video. The next videos are going to be some bangers as well. So, you know, stay tuned, and those are on their way. Okay? Peace out, Rap Dominance family. Much love.